This tutorial will introduce you to the temperature confirmation type. It should always be used when classic temperature values are measured. It allows a dynamic change between Celsius and Fahrenheit, which is particularly useful when working in different regions of the world. The temperature confirmation type is perfectly tailored to the EBRO Bluetooth thermometer 750 TLC. You can now specify whether the measurement is to be carried out manually or exclusively with the EBRO thermometer. You can also specify the type of measurement that has to be used. Compared to manual temperature recording, the new Bluetooth-supported measurement options offer exciting advantages. 1. Values cannot be manipulated during input and are accurate to decimal points. 2. If a measurement method other than the one specified is used, a warning appears and a new measurement is required. 3. In addition to the measured temperature and time, the method used for each measurement is also documented. We recommend that customers who still use for temperature measurements the integer or floating number confirmation type should change their tasks accordingly.